Hip-hop astrology tells you the truth about everything you need to know about. If you want to know the truth about something, it's hip-hop astrology.
Hip-hop astrology. Urban guru. You know what we do? We about to build with the big brother Tupac. About to connect the dots on some more gunshots. Pickety pop goes the weasel. No, I'm just playing around. But real talk though, Tupac was born June 16th, 1971, and the brother is a Gemini. And I want to bring your attention to the planet Mercury because the planet Mercury rules Gemini. Now, this is something that y'all all got to understand because each planet in the solar system has a zodiac sign that it represents. All right, it's the real game, star game. All right. So let's focus on the key word that Mercury rules, which is travel and cars, because cars is something that you travel in. So a key word for Mercury is travel. Now let's look at the planet Pluto. A key word for Pluto is death. Now, when Tupac was born, the planet Pluto was in Virgo, just to the left of the Virgin's head in the deepness of space. 25 years later, when Tupac died, the planet Mercury was in Virgo to the right of the Virgin's head. Same alignment. Now I'm going to show you the zodiac wheel showing you the planet Mercury is pointing to the letter P, showing you that they're both in Virgo perfectly aligned. Here's the question. If the planet Mercury rules Gemini, which is Tupac, and it rules cars and travel, when it's in alignment with the planet that rules death, how did Tupac die? How did the incident pop off? He was in the car. Is that a coincidence or is that cosmic law? See, Mercury only takes 18 days to go through a zodiac sign. Why did it happen when it was exactly lined up right there? See, everybody talk about the stars align, the stars align. I'm showing you when the stars are aligned, how it happens. I'm just showing you the alignment. It ain't a mere figure of speech. This is the science. So if you understand the square, I told you a square represents friction, represents agitation. Virgo to Gemini is a square. Now, September 13th come, we in Virgo season. The sun is in Virgo. But Tupac, when he was born, his sun was in Gemini. That's a square, right? The sun represents masculine energy. In mythology, this is Apollo, the sun god, and then this is in Egypt, is Ra, the sun god. So it represents masculine energy. The square is agitation. You're gonna be agitated by some type of masculine energy. And then when you think you're gonna drive away from the situation, it's likely to pop back up on you and you would die in a car. You see what I'm saying? So we just connecting the dots. I showed y'all this with YG on yesterday's video. When YG got shot, Mars was in Gemini, but he's a Pisces. Gemini and Pisces square each other. Take it to Tupac, Virgo and Gemini square each other. I'm showing you the square chart right here. I can't be making this up. All right? So just showing you how to connect the dots on this. Urban guru, hip-hop astrology. Get at us.
Prophecy is what we all have to go by now. It's very interesting.